Hello everyone. Today I am conducting an experiment to test whether the general population can tell the difference between a cappuccino and a latte. I hypothesize that there isn't enough of a difference between the two coffees for the general population to tell the difference. The way we will test this theory today is to make a cappuccino without chocolate powder on the top and a latte in both small glasses to ensure accuracy. We will be conducting a blind taste test to help ensure the results are unbiased from the outside stimuli. We will provide the testers with a written questionnaire before they taste the coffee to help create a focused state of mind. Then I follow up with a written questionnaire once they have tasted the coffee to help keep their answers fresh in their minds. I will set down 2 coffees in front of the tester, 1 cappuccino, no chocolate, and 1 latte. I will have the tester taste left to right to ensure consistency in the tester's outcomes. Due to the current pandemic, I was unable to gather a cohort size preferable, so the results may vary more with a large testing group.
The difference between a cappuccino and a latte is created in the amount of froth used. A cappuccino has a third of the cup filled with froth, and therefore making a stronger tasting coffee than the latte, which only has a small layer of foam on top. Each tester had a different coffee background, which created a varied cohort. Their answers as to what made each coffee different were varied, therefore their understanding of what to look for when tasting the coffees were varied as well. Each tester, looking for something different, tried the coffees. The testers tried the cappuccino first, then the latte. The first 3 testers were experienced coffee drinkers and were able to differentiate with ease and accuracy. The 4th tester had not been drinking coffee long and didn't normally drink barista coffee. Therefore, the results could have varied. Despite the lack of experience the 4th tester had, they were able to differentiate very quickly and correctly. The 4th tester did come to a conclusion which was more accurate than the other testers that the cappuccino was stronger. No other tester observed this without prompting. The tester with minimal coffee experience was able to answer correctly proves the obvious difference between the 2 coffees when made correctly. On reading through the questionnaires provided, after tasting, each tester provided different reasons to why they thought the coffees were different. The tester replying on the chocolate topping as a main difference between the coffees found it harder to tell the difference, whereas the tester who had minimal coffee experience relied on the taste and had no problems choosing. I concluded in my testing that the general population can in fact tell the difference between a cappuccino and a latte. This is proved by the overwhelming correct guesses of which coffee was which.